Welcome to our journey through Germany, a country rich in history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. In this video, we will explore some of the most amazing places that make Germany a must-visit destination. From the fairy tale castles nestled in the Bavarian Alps to the vibrant streets of Berlin, Germany offers a diverse array of attractions that cater to every type of traveler. We'll begin our adventure in the enchanting city of Munich, where traditional beer gardens and stunning architecture blend seamlessly with modern life. Next, we'll take you to the iconic Neuschwanstein Castle, a true masterpiece that inspired Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. As we traverse the picturesque romantic road, you'll discover charming villages and historical sites that tell the story of Germany's rich past. But it's not just about the sights. We'll delve into the cultural significance of these landmarks. Each location has its own unique story, reflecting the resilience and creativity of the German people throughout history. From the remnants of the Berlin Wall to the grandeur of the Brandenburg Gate, these sites serve as powerful reminders of Germany's journey through time. So, whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply looking for inspiration for your next adventure, this video will showcase the wonders of Germany and encourage you to explore its incredible attractions. Join us as we uncover the beauty and significance of this remarkable country, and perhaps you'll find your next travel destination along the way. Berlin, the capital of culture. Welcome to Berlin, a city that pulsates with energy and creativity, making it a true capital of culture. Known for its rich history and modern attractions, Berlin is a vibrant metropolis that seamlessly blends the old with the new. One of the most iconic landmarks in the city is the Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of unity and peace that has witnessed significant historical events. Just a short distance away lies the Berlin Wall, a powerful reminder of the city's divided past. Visiting the remnants of the wall offers a poignant glimpse into the struggles and triumphs that shaped Berlin. But Berlin is not just about its historical landmarks, it is also a hub for cultural experiences. The city boasts an impressive array of museums and art galleries, including the renowned Museum Island, home to 5 world-class museums that showcase everything from ancient artifacts to contemporary art. The vibrant art scene extends beyond the walls of these institutions, with street art and murals adorning many neighborhoods, reflecting the city's dynamic spirit. As the sun sets, Berlin transforms into a nightlife paradise. From trendy clubs to cozy bars, the city offers something for everyone. Whether you're dancing the night away at Berghain or enjoying a quiet drink in a hidden speakeasy, the nightlife here is as diverse as its residents. Additionally, Berlin's culinary scene is a feast for the senses, featuring everything from traditional German fare to international cuisine, ensuring that every meal is an adventure. In Berlin, history, culture, and modernity come together to create an unforgettable experience. Neuschwanstein Castle, a fairy tale come true. Nestled in the breathtaking Bavarian Alps, Neuschwanstein Castle stands as a stunning testament to romantic architecture and a dream come true for many visitors. Surrounded by lush forests and dramatic mountain peaks, this enchanting castle appears to rise straight from the pages of a fairy tale. Its picturesque setting, combined with its whimsical towers and intricate details, makes it one of the most photographed landmarks in the world. The history of Neuschwanstein Castle is as captivating as its appearance. Commissioned by King Ludwig II of Bavaria in the 19th century, the castle was intended as a tribute to Richard Wagner, the composer whose works inspired Ludwig's imagination. Construction began in 1869, but the castle was never fully completed, leaving behind a legacy of unfinished beauty. Despite its incomplete status, Neuschwanstein has become a symbol of romantic ideals, reflecting Ludwig's vision of a fantastical world. Neuschwanstein's influence extends far beyond its historical significance. Its enchanting design and fairy tale charm have inspired countless artists and filmmakers, most notably serving as the inspiration for Disney's Cinderella Castle. This connection to popular culture has solidified Neuschwanstein's status as a dream destination for travelers seeking a taste of magic and wonder. Visiting Neuschwanstein Castle is like stepping into a storybook, where history and fantasy intertwine. Whether you're exploring its grand halls or gazing out at the stunning alpine views, the castle offers an unforgettable experience that captures the imagination and leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. The Romantic Road, a scenic journey. Welcome to the Romantic Road, one of Germany's most picturesque drives that invites you to explore the heart of Bavaria. This enchanting route stretches over 350 kilometers, winding through charming towns, stunning landscapes, and rich cultural heritage. As you embark on this scenic journey, prepare to be captivated by the beauty that unfolds around every bend. One of the highlights along the romantic road is the medieval town of Rothenburg ob der Tauber. With its well-preserved architecture, cobblestone streets, and vibrant flower boxes, Rothenburg feels like a step back in time. Be sure to wander through its charming alleys, visit the iconic Planline, and indulge in the local specialty, Schneeballen, a delicious pastry that's a must-try. Another gem along the route is Dinkelsbowl, known for its stunning half-timbered houses and picturesque town square. This town exudes a warm, welcoming atmosphere, making it a perfect stop to soak in the local culture. As you drive, you'll also be treated to breathtaking landscapes, including rolling hills, lush vineyards, and serene rivers that create a stunning backdrop for your journey. The romantic road is not just about the sights, it's also an opportunity to experience local traditions and festivals. Throughout the year, towns along the route host vibrant events that celebrate Bavarian culture, from lively markets to traditional folk festivals. Engaging with the locals and participating in these festivities will enrich your journey and create lasting memories. So buckle up and get ready for a scenic adventure along the romantic road, where every stop offers a new story waiting to be discovered. Black Forest. Nature's wonderland. Welcome to the Black Forest, a stunning region in southwestern Germany renowned for its dense woods, rolling hills, and charming villages. This enchanting area is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike, offering a plethora of outdoor activities that allow you to immerse yourself in its breathtaking landscapes. Whether you're hiking along scenic trails, biking through picturesque valleys, or skiing down powdery slopes in the winter, the Black Forest provides endless opportunities for exploration and enjoyment. As you traverse this magical region, be sure to indulge in some of its local specialties. The famous Black Forest cake, with its rich layers of chocolate, cherries, and whipped cream, is a delightful treat that you simply cannot miss. Pair it with a glass of Kirschwasser, a traditional cherry brandy, for a true taste of the region. Additionally, the Black Forest is known for its exquisite cuckoo clocks, handcrafted by skilled artisans. These intricate timepieces are not only functional but also serve as beautiful pieces of art that reflect the area's rich craftsmanship. The Black Forest is steeped in folklore and tradition, with tales of mythical creatures and enchanting legends that have been passed down through generations. This rich cultural heritage is celebrated through various festivals and events, where you can witness traditional crafts, music, and dance. Engaging with the local community and learning about their customs will deepen your appreciation for this remarkable region. So come and discover the wonders of the Black Forest, where nature, culture, and adventure await at every turn. Cologne Cathedral. A Gothic masterpiece. Welcome to Cologne Cathedral, a breathtaking Gothic masterpiece that stands proudly in the heart of Cologne, Germany. This iconic structure is not only a UNESCO World Heritage Site but also a testament to the incredible architectural prowess of the Middle Ages. With its soaring spires reaching nearly 157 meters, the cathedral dominates the skyline and captivates visitors with its intricate details, including stunning stained glass windows, elaborate sculptures, and ornate facades that tell stories of faith and history. The construction of Cologne Cathedral began in 1248 and spanned over 6 centuries, a remarkable feat that reflects the dedication and vision of countless artisans and builders. Initially intended to house the relics of the Three Wise Men, the cathedral's design evolved over the years, incorporating elements of Gothic architecture that would influence structures across Europe. Despite facing numerous challenges, including wars and financial constraints, the cathedral was finally completed in 1880, standing as a symbol of resilience and faith. Cologne Cathedral serves not only as a magnificent architectural wonder but also as a significant pilgrimage site for Christians from around the world. Its grandeur and spiritual significance draw millions of tourists each year, making it one of Germany's most visited landmarks. Visitors can explore its vast interior, climb the 533 steps to the viewing platform for panoramic views of the city, and attend services that echo through its hallowed halls. As you explore Cologne Cathedral, you'll discover a rich tapestry of history, artistry, and spirituality that continues to inspire awe and reverence in all who visit. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Germany, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible attractions we've explored together. From the vibrant streets of Berlin, where history and modernity collide, to the enchanting Neuschwanstein Castle, a fairy tale brought to life, Germany is a country that offers a rich tapestry of experiences. We've traveled along the romantic road, discovering charming towns like Rothenburg ob der Tauber and Dinkelsbühl, and ventured into the breathtaking landscapes of the Black Forest, where nature and tradition intertwine. Each of these destinations showcases Germany's diverse attractions, from its architectural marvels and cultural heritage to its culinary delights and outdoor adventures. Whether you're drawn to the historical significance of Cologne Cathedral or the picturesque beauty of the Bavarian Alps, there's something for everyone in this remarkable country. We encourage you to explore these amazing places for yourself and create your own unforgettable memories. Germany is waiting to be discovered, and every corner holds a new adventure just for you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting travel stories and tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Germany's wonders, and we hope to see you on our next adventure.